Hello, this is Jew. Hey, look what we have here. We have a pair of glasses, but this one is missing a nose guard. We're going to fix that today. So let's go ahead and zoom in to see what the issue is. And as you can see, we got a nose guard here, but this one's missing, and it looks like it was just kind of sheared off. The butt of it is right here. But the rest of it fell off. It looks like it just ripped and broke off. There is a screw head right here, which I'm not sure you could see. It's right about there. It's black, but that's kind of what's holding this nose guard in place. So we will need a couple of things. First of all, we will need a replacement for the nose guard itself, and we'll need a small screwdriver to get that tiny screw out of there. Now, if you don't have a spare nose guard, you can just perhaps just steal them from some old pair of glasses like I have here. Here's another one that's actually missing a nose guard because I stole that for a previous repair, but you could just take these off and reuse them. You could also use old sunglasses if they're all scratched up and you're not going to use them anymore. Just save the nose guards. But what I recommend is just to go ahead and purchase a kit. Now this one is a pretty nice kit I just recently purchased, only for $10 on Amazon. You don't have to go this extreme, but this one is pretty cool because it includes the screwdriver with a bunch of screwdriver heads, some tweezers, another little screwdriver thing here. But right here is where the good stuff is. And as you can see here, it has a whole bunch of different size screws. And more importantly, in our case, you have different size nose guards. And here's a couple of styles that came out of the kit. Now this first one right here, it's a harder plastic. It doesn't really bend that much, but it kind of has like a metal base, which might be a little stronger. It's also a little more decorative. It has some gold there. Now this one looks more just straight silicone. It has a little bit of a hardened plastic base, but this one's a little more flexible. So it's kind of a preference thing. This one might hold on a little bit better. And I think I'm actually going to use this one in lieu of this one. So actually looking at this a little closer with my poor eyes, there isn't actually a screw right here. Normally I've always encountered screws that hold these nose pieces in place. And I kind of poked out the old piece of plastic, and if you kind of zoom in here, you can see there's not actually a screw that goes through, but rather you have these two little nubs right here that kind of hold the nose piece in place. And so that's a little different than I'm used to. I'm used to seeing a screw that will be removed and then reattached. And if that's your glasses, go ahead and remove the screw and reattach. But this one is a little different and just holds it with pressure. And so we'll see if these actually will work. Now you can see with this one, it does have a hole which might hold on where those little nubs are. And I do want to orient this correctly so the narrow place is on the bottom. And so I'm just going to insert this and see what happens. Hopefully it will fit. And there you go. It kind of, well, it's not really, it's in there, but it's not really holding that strong. So let's go ahead and try the other style. This is the harder plastic with the metal base, and see if that will hold on a little bit better. And there, I got it in. It's more aligned. It's in there. It's kind of holding. I think if I really pull it out, it'll pop out, but it seems to be holding okay. And as you can see right there, looks like it's in there. So just to make sure, I'm going to use some pliers and see if I could, without scratching the glass, if I can apply a little pressure here to let it hold a little bit better. And I think that worked. So I do want both of them to match. I'm going to have to get this other one out. Again, it's just a pressure thing, so I think I could just pull this one out. And sure enough, you can see it's basically the same thing with a hole in it. And then I have a matching one right here. Make sure it's oriented properly. There you go, it seems to be in. Use some pliers. Now to make sure these align properly, I'm just going to readjust this bar just a little bit to readjust. And there you go. I have successfully replaced these nose guards. Now again, I had a little bit of a hiccup thinking that they were attached with screws. They weren't. They're actually the push and snap in style. And so, having some needle nose pliers to kind of help kind of tighten those snaps is a good thing. But these should last for a while longer and we won't have to replace these glasses. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit that like button at the bottom of the screen and even consider subscribing to my channel. I have many more videos to come. Bye-bye.